Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to add clickable links to your description, or how you can add clickable links to your YouTube videos. So the moment you have just uploaded your video, we have a description part where you need to tell the viewers more about the video. So sometimes you can be able to add links and you find that you are not able to click them, or your viewers cannot be able to click and maybe go to external sites. So those links normally are made for external websites. So when you add a link of a certain website and you want people to click through that link and it is not clickable, so that is what you're going to look at today. So once you're logged into your YouTube account, you're just going to click on manage videos. So once you click on manage your videos, this is what you're going to have. You'll have all your videos, and here is the drop down, or here is a list of the videos that I have. So I'm just going to select on one video, and I'm going to click on this pen icon or pencil icon, whichever it is. And then once you're on this page, so this is the description box, or the description part where we add links, especially the links that we want to, if we want our viewers to click those links and maybe take them to another website, or if it is an affiliate link and you want people to go and check out maybe the products that you have through that link. So you just put it on your description box. So let me delete that, and then I show you how to add the link. So I'm going to go to my Canva account. So let me just click on canva.com. Yeah, so if I click on canva.com, and then I'm going to copy this link. Yes, so this is Canva. So let me just copy this link to use it, and then I'll go back to my description box. So most of the time you'll find that some links are just like this. You cannot be able to click them. So let me save, and then we go check the video, and I'll show you step by step how to make sure that those links are clickable and they can take you to the external sites. So I'm going to save it. Yeah, so once it's saved, I'm going to click that video. So once the video opens, I'm going to click on more, and once I click on more, so you can be able to see this is the link that I posted on my description. So you can see that it is clickable. When the link is blue, it's clickable and it can take you to a different site. So let me just click it and we see where it's taking me. So if I click, you can see it takes me to Canva. So if maybe I wanted you guys to check out something, maybe if I had a link for my Canva account, or maybe a referral link, or maybe an affiliate link or something like that. So if you click on that link, you can see it takes you to a different destination, or it takes you to a different destination, or to a different website. Okay, it takes you to a different website. So if you want to make sure that those links are clickable, so this is what you're going to do. So you can also ensure that on your description section, you make sure that all your links start with HTTPS. So that is the only way they can also be clickable. So I want to show you an example between a link that does not have HTTPS and a link that has, you'll be able to see that we cannot click. So for example, this one, so let me just remove this part. Yeah, so this is what I have. So I only have the www.canva.com. So let me save it and we see if it will be clickable. So after saving that, we'll go back to the same video and try and see what my viewers will be able to see on their end. So now this is what I was talking about. So you can see we have www.canva.com and you cannot be able to click that link. So in some cases you also find a link with the HTTPS, but still you cannot click it. So when you're adding links to your description box, always ensure that they have the HTTPS, and you have also checked your settings that YouTube is allowing you to post clickable links to your description box. Yes, so you'll go back. So we're going to go back to edit video, and then once you're there, we can now add the HTTPS, and you'll see that link will be blue and it will be clickable. So all clickable links are always blue, but the ones that are not clickable, they're either gray or just the normal font that you use. Okay, so I'm going to just add the now. Okay, so if I had that, so this is what I'm talking about. You can see it has HTTPS, full colon and 2/ and then www.canva. So if I put it here on my description box, so let me save it and we go back, you'll see that now the link is clickable. So if I go back to that particular video, so this is what we have here. So if I open my description box once again, or if I click more, so I'm going to click more if I want to read what is there. Yes, so this is the video, and then I'm going to scroll down and click more. Yes, so you can see that now the link is clickable. So if I click this link, it's going to take me to, yes, so it's going to take me to Canva. Yes, so that is how those links should work, the links in your description box. So if you've shared your social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and whichever site you want your viewers to visit, so that is how the link should be. So let me show you now how to make sure that okay, so in some other cases you can still have your link with the HTTPS, but still it will not be clickable. So this is what you do in such a case. So you'll go to settings, you click on settings, and then you come to channel. And then once you're here, you go and click feature. So you'll get three options, and then you click on feature eligibility. So you can manage, so if you read here, you can manage your access to more features here. Intermediate and advanced features require additional verification, which will help us keep the YouTube community safe for everyone. So the first option is standard features. So if you click here, mine is already enabled, so get YouTube channel started and begin growing your audience with these features. So the first thing is video uploads, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlist and add new videos to existing playlists. So channel is free of active guidelines and strikes. And then you come to the second option, immediate features. It's also enabled. So find new ways to engage your audience and build your personal brand with a wider set of features. So video longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and then live streams. So standard feature enables, and so here you verify your phone number. Okay, so that here it's standard feature enabled and verify phone number. So you'll need to verify your phone number. Once you just follow the same steps, you come to settings, you go to channel, and then you click on feature eligibility. That is when you have the link on your description box with the HTTPS, but it cannot be clickable. So you're going to check on your feature eligibilities, and then the third option is the most important one. So you come here and click on advanced features. So expand your reach on YouTube and beyond this advanced feature. So the first thing they want here, appealing content ID claims, create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, external link in videos. So this is what we were talking about today, and this is all the videos is about today. So how to add external links to your video descriptions, and they should be clickable. Okay, and then eligible to apply for monetization. So for monetization you need to have like the 4,000 watch time, and then the 1,000 subscribers. And I recently had someone saying it's 500 subscriber. I'm not sure, but I'll check on that. So our main video today is about external links in video description. So once you're here, for you to be able to enable it, it's going to require your ID. Okay, so you can check here. Simply look at your phone camera and follow the prompts. Okay, so create a video verification. So you're going to create a video verification, which is simply look at your phone's camera and follow the prompts. Look up and down, so they will guide you on what to do to get a quick access to advanced feature. So after 2 months of channel activity and following our community guidelines, you establish channel history, and they will automatically delete the video. So right here you're going to submit your valid ID. Yes, you will submit your valid ID, and then your ID will be automatically deleted from your Google account. So once you submit the ID for them to do the verification, it will be automatically deleted from your Google account, and then within 2 years it is usually deleted in a few months after you've built sufficient channel history, or after 1 year and you haven't used advanced feature. So once you're in this part, all they will require you to do is to submit your ID so that they can use it for verification, and then they will send you an email, and then they'll send you an email, which I think the verification takes something like within 24 hours. It's 24 hours. Then within 24 hours they get back to you that the advanced features has been verified. Okay, so it is that simple. So it just requires your ID, and this other one requires your phone number. So if you just follow the steps, it's going to just do the video verification. So okay, so here is a video verification. So you're just going to simply look at your phone's camera and follow prompts. Look up and down, etc., to get quick access to advanced feature. So after 2 months after 2 months of the channel activity and following our community guidelines, you establish channel history, and they will automatically delete that video. Okay, that is just for verification. So still you can click here to learn more. And then if you come here, use a valid ID. So take a photo of your valid ID, like a passport or driver's license, to get quick access to advanced feature. So after 2 months of channel activity, the following and following our community guidelines, you'll establish channel history and will automatically delete your ID. So for more, you can just click on learn more, and then you can read more about it. And then for channel history, follow our community guidelines to build channel history. For most creators, these usually take up to 2 months if you used your ID or video verification to access advanced feature. So what you are doing here, you want to access the advanced feature to enable you to have clickable links in your description box. So there are two ways to do that. That is that you uploading your ID, and also this one, and video verification. Yeah, so you create a video verification, and also you take a photo of your valid ID, and then you send, and then they will get back to you within 24 hours in your email to let you know if your advanced features has been approved. Okay, yeah, so basically that is how you do that. So let me know on the comment section if you have any challenge, and I'll be able to get back to you. So thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.